We are back. Look at this. It is another glorious morning. So we are starting off with a range of 112. Current trip 197.2 with an average consumption of 47.8. First thing to do this morning is we're going to head on over to the petrol station and we're going to fill up the jerry cans, because at some point today I will be running out of fuel, and it would be rather irresponsible if I did not bring some fuel with me. It's windy today. It's very windy. We've got a route plan of about 120 miles, around 4 hours. It's going to take us down towards Bournemouth, along the Jurassic coast, and then back up. I've got all my thermals on again today. I'm not sure if I need it. It's 13 degrees. Bloody lovely. I have to derobe some of these layers. Now we've stretched our legs out a little. Today I think I'm going to have a bit more of a leisurely ride compared to yesterday. Yesterday I was definitely having a little bit of fun, a little bit spirited, and that was definitely portrayed in the average consumption. So today a little bit more chilled out, a little bit more relaxed. I'm just going to enjoy the Jurassic coast. So I've got two skinny jerry cans. Fits nicely in the 38 litre left hand side lone rider bag. Well, yay! Steady on, cowboy. Okay, so we've got 11.37 litres to get us out of Schitt's Creek later on. I think the south have got some absolutely lovely roads. You've got the New Forest area you can cut through, see the horses and cows and everything, and donkeys just roaming around, cutting through people's gardens. And then you can head on down to the coast from there. I'm going down towards Bournemouth, and then I'm going to cut west along the Jurassic coast, and then head into a place called West Bay. It's a great biker place to stop. They've got cafes, bars, restaurants, coffee shops, ice cream, and a few fish and chip joints as well. So that is my plan for today, because why not? It's middle of October and it looks like this, so why not enjoy it whilst it lasts? So let's face it, winter's coming. Last week was 22, 23 degrees, and now yesterday was 3 degrees in the morning. Today's a little bit warmer, hitting about 14 degrees at the minute. It's not too bad, but it's definitely time to put those thermal liners in the jacket. For reference, I am on the A357 heading south. The frustrating part with this road that I've been on so far, you go into a 60, you do a bit of stint on that, and then you're straight into another village. You're doing your 30 and 20, and then another stint of 60, and then another 30. If I was coming down this way again and planning it, I'd probably try and find some B road just to minimise the amount of 30s I was stuck in. We've done about 50 miles so far today already. We are into the 2 bars left, so we've got a range of 70 miles. Fuel consumption has increased. Like I said, I was going to ride more conservatively, and it's gone up to 50.4 miles per gallon, and current trip is 251.6. Flicking over to trip 2, remember that's for today's trip. I've covered 55.5 miles, and I've got an average consumption of 56.4. So it just goes to show that if you do ride a little bit more conservatively, you can seriously save some extra fuel. Remember, yesterday I was on like 45 to 47, and today I'm on at 56. I have found if you ride a gear above the gear you need to be in, that's definitely going to help with that fuel consumption. Well, it's 1:45, I'm starting to get peckish, so let's go find somewhere to have a little snack. And there we go, ladies and gents, we are now into the tank reserve level reached. Right to next station. So we've got 50 miles on the clock. Average consumption 51.3. Currently covered 268.9 miles. Look at this. Jurassic Coast World Heritage Site. And here we are then. This is West Bay. Plenty of places to get some lovely ice cream. There's a Helmet City over in that corner over there. More importantly, this is where the bikers normally hang out, especially in the summer. Obviously, it's a little bit cold, and it's a Tuesday. Oi, that'll do, donkey. That'll do.
Can't beat a good bit of scampi and chips at the old beachfront. As I said, I was on pulling in. This place is absolutely round packed in the summer. Bikes all the way around the centre bollards. Struggle to get a space sometimes.
Oh, there. Anyway, good to meet you.
You too.
Travel safe.
Catch you in a bit. Perks of bikes. Man by myself. Doesn't mean you're alone. Always someone to chat to. If these seagulls think they're getting any more chips, I can think again. Bloody hell. Bloody lovely. Suppose I can't just sit around here all day drinking Monster and eating chips. Be pleasant though, wouldn't it? Right, back on the road.
From here to home, it's 37 miles. 1 hour, 11 minutes. And I've got 36 miles in the tank. The question is, do I make it home and then have to have a little ride around until we run out? Or will I run out before I get home? Starting the backward journey with a range of 34 miles. Consumption is 56.4 with 277.8 miles covered already. Anyone else have it after lunch and they've had a little bit of food, a little bit of drink, get all cozy, ready for a nap? Because that's where I'm at right now. I don't want to ride home for another hour. I just want to sleep. For me, West Bay is a great little biker stop. Like I said, toilets, food, drinks, Helmet City. Well, what do you need from a stop? Highly recommend heading on down that way. Oh, we're down to 30 miles. We have a child down, we have a child down. Currently on 20 miles left, with 22 miles to go to the house. Consumption 58.8, 292.3. Ay caramba. Anxiety starting to set in. We're officially under 10 miles on the clock, showing 9 miles. Consumption 62.7. Just shows what you can get out of this if you absolutely drive or ride like Miss Daisy. Currently 304.8. What I'm hoping to do is I'm hoping I don't break down somewhere like this, because it would be awkward. I'm hoping to get to Haynes, and they got a massive car park, and I'll just keep going around the car park until I run out. So far I have ridden for 8 hours and 36 minutes according to this Trip 1 total calculator. I mean, that's not bad going. 8.5 hours on a single tank. That'll get you a good 3 or 4 hours into Europe from where I live in Somerset. That's not bad, is it? Come on. So this is Haynes. And this is the car park. So it's showing 3 miles left. Just going to do some figure of eights really. Like I said, safety first. I didn't really fancy running out of fuel just on the main roads, because a lot of these roads around here, they're the type of back roads that there's no safe place to pull over, and the roads aren't always visible because of the hedge lines, etc. You are the only one. Honestly guys, the things I do for you and these videos, people probably watching me on the security cameras go, what the hell is he doing? Oh, he's playing slaloms. So this is actually the second time I've filmed this video. The first time I've done it just kind of on my everyday travels, see how many days kind of going to different diggers, but ended up in, like, out of 7 days of me on the bike, 5 of them were me just going back and forth to Branson's. So I thought, you know what, you guys don't want to see the same route multiple times, so just for you I sacked that one and done it all again. And this is why yesterday I was at Ilfracombe, today down at kind of Jurassic Coast, West Bay area. It's a little bit more interesting, isn't it? Oh, 1 mile, or 1 mile, ladies and gentlemen, 1 mile. So far today we've covered 114 miles. What was yesterday? Like 177, 180? Not too shabby. We are at 0. We are at 0. 312.3 at 0. Don't mind me, still going round, still going round. Still at 0 miles. We're currently at 314.4. This bike will not die. It's still going. Showing 0 miles, but we're at 316.3. Be clocked by security, I reckon. How you doing? You alright?
Good, thank you. It's unusual behaviour.
I appreciate that, yeah. I do apologise. 2 miles on the clock, so I was hoping, rather than running out on the road, I was hoping just to run out in here.
Okay. Now I know what you're doing. Carry on.
Thank you very much.
Be safe.
Yeah, will do. Cheers, have a good day. All it takes is being polite. End of the day, they've got a business to protect, and yeah, it is strange behaviour, 100%. Be polite, be respectful, explain what you're doing, and if they ask you to leave, you leave. As simple as that. Is it I could carry on? So well. Oh, we are now at 320 miles, still going. There's no jerking, there's no feeling like it's going to run out. Shut in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. I think I'm going to have to start heading out, because I don't want to get stuck in here. Right, I'm calling it. We are going to head out from Haynes. Been here for about half an hour, just going around this car park. Okay, it's official. I am now awkwardly back on the open road. There are a few spots along here to pull in, so hopefully if she cuts I can make it to one of them. It's official, it's finally run out. Obviously I had to turn the cameras off because they all kept running out of battery, but here it is. Oh, current trip 349 miles dead. Average consumption 54.3. Remember, I've been on the 0 miles since what, 312? So that is seriously impressive. Time to put some fuel back in this and get home. So total journey time 10 hours 15 minutes. Not bad, is it, eh? 30 litres. Jerry can number 1 done. Oh. On to the next one. On to the next one. Moment of truth. Does she start back up? Hey! Well, there we go, ladies and gents. Now we know for 100% I haven't ridden conservatively throughout this whole 349 miles. Yesterday I was giving it some beans, I was enjoying myself. Today, definitely more conservative, especially when I was getting under 50 miles. I was taking it really easy, really nice and smooth. Like I said, the gear above than what I needed to be. But yeah, so that got me 349 miles completely dry. If you like this, found it interesting and you learnt something, give it a thumbs up. More importantly, subscribe to the channel, because I need you guys to keep watching these videos so I can keep running around aimlessly and answering questions so you don't have to go and find out yourself. Well, nothing else to say, but thank you very much, and until the next one, ride safe.